anything lie, anything deception in the name of business, my friend, it disconnects you from God's favor. I told you the story of when we were trying to secure the license for Covenant University. They came for verification visit. And one of them came to me and said, can I give you some hindsight? I said, what about? If you don't give something to this one and give something to this one. I said, stand up! You think I'm faking it? His shoe fell off his hand. You think I'm faking it here? Stand up! May you not hear that kind of shout from me. Amen. Shoe removing shout. I said, carry your dirty stuff and get out of here. We'll never have a university forever to give a bribe to one person. Favor and favor find the university. See the glory, see the color. My God, there is nothing any man can promise or give you that will compare with what God gives. From now, the favor of God that makes a difference follows you from this day. Before next Sunday, very many called jobless shall return with testimony. The favor of God made Mary the mother of God. Thou art highly favored. All natural laws suspended. Yes, sir. Yet the Messiah came. For everyone called barren, the favor of God has changed your story. He that findeth a wife findeth a good thing and has obtained favor from the Lord. For everyone on the line for marriage, as you turn away from sin, Papan Grekano, the favor of God that settles men and women in marriage becomes your portion today. For anyone under any satanic spell of misfortune, things work today and this work tomorrow and every day. Life full of uncertainties, the cloud full of black spots. Every siege of misfortune cast upon anyone and their family, that is overturned by favor today. Some fellows who are set for it will testify this Wednesday. Multitudes will testify on Sunday. We serve a God of bright clouds.
Yes, sir.
Today is declared a day of bright clouds in your life. God has come to lighten your darkness. He has come to enlighten your path. You shall be visited this week. You shall be visited this week. That man testified, he said, when I got home, I tore those nonsense pictures. I'm set to live for God. I quit my place of work which was full of sins. You must lie to go anywhere. And God said to them, the following day, someone called him and said, we've been looking for you. We have a boss here for you. Electrician got a boss on a platter of gold when he turned his heart to please God. Therefore, every stranded destiny is released by favor today. And so shall it be. Listen, beware of over familiarity with the anointed. Otherwise, the blessings they carry, you may not be able to access it. Somebody touched me, Jesus said. And Peter said, we're all trunking you. Said, somebody touched me, virtue is gone out of me. May your familiarity with this altar not rob you of the blessings from here.